Force, oh, green, okay. Oh my, I gotta write it. I have to turn right here. Okay. I barely heard Garmin.
Continue on M95.
All right. Highway 69 is the next right in 10 miles. Sagola 16, US 41, 49 miles. Sagola, S-A-G-O-L-A. Got 10 miles. Yep. To my next turn. It's not roundabouts every mile. It's 10 miles to a solid intersection. Michigan law. 55. All right. Yep. Try to get comfortable on my tree stump and enjoy the scenery. Which, from what I saw on Google Maps, it was just looked to be just mostly wide open forest. There's probably farmland. I don't know why they wouldn't have some. A bump. Okay. I want to be careful on the bump. Oh yeah, that's noticeable. Okay, we got split Twin Falls Road to the left, Old Kearney Lake Road to the right. I think the road is split. They've widened this road. They recently widened the road for something. Looks like a new road. They got a gravel operation on the right. There's significant mining that you can see on the Google Maps. They change mining locations. Somewhat busy by the tracks on the road. Road construction. Road work ahead. They're not saying anything about a detour. Right lane closed ahead. All right. 45. Reduce speed zone ahead. Flashing arrow to the left. And that's it, right? I can't tell if they're putting up the cones or taking them down. With this cone laying down, I think that they're taking the cones. Just finishing up with the road construction. So I passed a few lumber trucks. They are keeping active out, at least in the northern part of Iron Mountain. Indict to unite. All right. Private property, private property, private property, private property, private property, private property. Every 10 feet. Wow. Road work ahead. Okay. Injure, kill a worker, $7,500, 15 years. You get 15 years to pay off $7,500 to injure a worker. That's a little expensive for me, but might be a good deal for other people. Reduce speed zone ahead. There's a picture of a flagger. There's no center line. And I need to be prepared to stop. Oh, I see people stopped up ahead. Oh yeah. Work zone begins. Wow, this is a really responsible road crew. They're actually posting far ahead, giving you a real advanced warning that stuff is happening. And this truck has a big cage trailer. Just a big cage, like they keep a lion in there. There's words on the front I can't quite read. Alright, that was almost a 10-minute wait. She told me to go a little faster. I had a road worker tell me to drive faster. Who does she think she is? Bear bait to the left. Yeah, that was one long wait. I turned off the car and just sat. Really smelling a lot of exhaust. Like there's a chicken as a part of a sign. We can't just go into the right lane. It looks perfectly fine. I don't see any reason why it needs to be closed down. Alright, there's the end. It's a few miles, I think. A couple miles. Yeah, this seems really odd. Excessively long. That road looks just like this area, except they got traffic cones and they're regulating it. That's a heck of a bottleneck, and it barely looks like any good reason. Oh no. Oh, alright. No center line. Something died on the side of the road. Got 2 miles for a right turn. Bridge ices before the road. Order me. Order me. I got, oh, my right's here. Right here. Right here. Okay, righting here. So yeah, that road's busy. Whatever it's called. This road's looking busy too. 55. I'm looking at trucks. Looks like lumber trucks. Memorial Highway. Filch 12, Foster City 16, Escanaba 58. They're encouraging parking. Public carpool parking. It looks unpleasant to me. I wouldn't want to just hang out there. Support line 5. Got 10 miles. How is my, okay, alright. Oil, I think I got another 1,000 miles. I'm at 129,000 miles on my car. I could change oil at 130,000. Well, this road has quieted down a little bit. Now I think I might be getting more on back road areas. Very thick forests around here. Not very tall at all. Short, thick. They're short and thick forests around these parks. Looks like there's somebody. Oh, there's 2 flags. Okay. North Branch Sturgeon River. Okay, got a lot of military flags. Palmilla. Nice house. Looks like one of those bee houses. Whoa! Adopt a highway. Okay. Blomquist Poulet family. Yeah, it's very clean on the side of the roads. I don't see any trash. Not like Louisiana. Probably a mail carrier on the right. But they do have a traffic cone, and they don't usually use those. AEG. Traffic cone on the front and back. I clearly see that there's some kind of road construction. It looks like somebody stopped on the road. Well, I'm in no hurry to get up to that then. It looks like that there's somebody stopped. I got my foot off the gas. I'll slowly roll up to this. There's another car on the road. Somebody's standing in the ditch. I can see the orange signs. Oh my God! Wow, that's rude. Not even a warning. Road work ahead. Oh. 1 lane road ahead. Yeah, I'm in no rush. Nobody's behind me. I'm in no rush to approach. Reduce speed zone. I'm at 35. Another one. Ooh. They don't put warnings for that. So this is a back road if they put those things up. They didn't put those on the main road. The car is still stopped up ahead, so I'm not in a rush. Nobody's catching up behind me. I'll drop it to 20. Work zone begins. Oh yeah, now I see the oncoming traffic. No rush to get up to this. Second gear. I should have plenty of time to move. Looks like it's only 4 cars. That truck is the last one. Most likely. Appears to be the last one. No other visible car. Yeah, okay. Alright, can move. Oh, is there a... Oh, there is. Okay. Slow. Alright. Oh, and there's a bump. Alright. Oh, she's calling me in. No center line. Okay. Oh, now it's clear. They put a fresh coating of road on top of the old road. I could smell it. All right, I got 7 miles. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason the air feels nice. It's probably because it's just good weather right now. Everything feels really good right now. The weather's showing stability for a few days. Really reasonable temperatures. $55. Yeah, these guys have to deal with a lot of the fumes coming off that road. Maybe they get used to it. I don't know. This is an extended length. A lot of people appear to be living here. Somebody's just standing around. All right. I guess that's not the flagger. A library to my left? For the school? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't want to be caught on this road, that's for sure. That's interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't know which way I could go, left or right, getting onto this road. I'm not even gonna bother checking out, trying to look at that. Usually, libraries in high schools are nothing but trouble anyway. They're often a big pain to deal with. They're interesting, but a pain. Small town libraries, say like public library is, what the heck is small town libraries with the libraries in the small towns with the libraries in the high school? Somebody slammed on their brakes. Wow, what a distance. So they got both sides paved here. And they're clearly working on the right side. Smoothing things out, no center line. Oh wow, it's so, oh, they're wetting down the, whatever, the smoother. Somebody's laying in that yard. People are laying in the yard. 3 guys laying in that yard. I guess they know that property owner. Yeah, that's, I've never seen anything like that. Oh, there's maybe a truck following me, so I'm not the one they're waiting on. This guy's like walking in front of me. Some old guy's a little reckless with his work. They weren't waiting on me. Yeah, there was a truck behind me, I think. Alright, I got 5 miles to go. It's a lot of work being done out here. Yeah. Yeah, they really remind you that there's no center line. I got a lumber truck coming opposite lane. Do not pass. Groveland Mine Road. Yeah, that's a full heavy load. 2.7 miles for a left. No center line. Yeah, you can see there's 4 signs. Oh, and then they got the signs on the other side too. Low shoulder. Okay. You know, this would be tempting to turn into. Oh no, not there. Gosh, I don't know. How far down? 2.2 miles. Nah, that's a little far. For sale by owner, a UTV. Somebody smacked up a van. Wow, what a waste. That would have been a good vehicle to live in. Man, it's amazing how many nice vehicles get destroyed. People living in campers on the right. No center line. Low shoulder. Yeah, this road construction crew has to keep a lot of signs. Zion Lutheran Church. Yeah, it's great clouds, great weather. It's just a lot of positive energy out here. At least that kind of energy I like. I like that 55-degree night last night. I like the cloudy days. I got a left coming up. Slow down for the curve and then take a left. Can't quite see it. Ralph is to the left. Boat launch. Alright, this is my left. That guy might be taking a left. Bible Chapel. People that look like they're parking here? Alright, writing. Okay. Alright, 10 miles roughly. Oh, going through a town, okay. The shifting's feeling a little weird. It feels like this would be a comfortable spot to just park on the side of the road. Getting far enough north, far enough away. It'd still be on, oh, 35, okay. Still likely to be a little unpleasant. Okay, Sportsman's Paradise, modern cabin boats. There's a lot of road area, but it's actually more dirt road. 35 people walking across. It's a little village in here. There's gas, I'm good. Sort of a village. Modern homes. They're on the top of the hill. Oh yeah, okay. Felch? Yeah, there's supposed to be some Indian territory. Actually, no, that was if I were to go to Houghton. I'm not going to Houghton though. That's where the Indian Native American territory is. Reservation. I haven't really seen any signs for farming, and yet here they got a picture of a cow. So maybe I'm approaching farming. Oh yeah, there's farm equipment. Okay, yeah, all right. Lots of farm equipment. Looks like grazing pasture here. I got 8.5 miles. All right. Oh, 45, right? All right. Curvy. Not hilly. Ooh, 45. That's a little tight. Not too bad though. Okay. Got cabins out here. So this would be summertime residence. Now we got a hill. Wow. A little bit of a drop. I'm at 1143 elevation. A little bit of a drop, and then it's a climb up ahead. I see two young boys sitting on the back of a truck in their yard, both playing on their phones. So I assume they got Wi-Fi out there. That's about the only entertainment they got. That's how they handle boredom in the rural areas. East Branch Sturgeon River. They live out in the countryside and play on their phones. Play on the Wi-Fi, whatever. Oh my God, what did I just hit? I saw it too. It looked like an alcohol bottle. Internet in the countryside. It's kind of a bridge to civilization a little bit. Road closed ahead on the right. Oh yeah, right there. I see the barriers. All right, road got a little rough. 6.5 miles. Yeah, I don't want to be going 55 on this. No rush. Yeah, people live out here. Long distances from grocery stores. It's just amazing to me. I go to a grocery store pretty much every day. But that's because I don't have a refrigerator. If I had a fridge, then I guess I could stock up more. Yeah, this road is too rough for the suggested speed. There's nobody behind me. I don't need to rush. That was a 35 curve, I think it said. They don't say it slow down here though. Yeah, the road's too rough though. Adopt a county road. Dixon Grunland family. Yeah, there's only so much you could do on for the road. You can clean up the side of it, but it takes a specialized road crew to smooth it out. And this is not a priority road, so deal with it.